Guys, I know it's been a long time, but you know what, let me just start vlogging in it so you guys can know the real me. So yeah, if you don't know, if you're watching this video, it is your girl Michelle Comfort, aka ComfortStyles. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some vlogging at the moment. I'm quickly gonna make a cup of tea because I've got a client coming to do their hair, so hopefully I can show you a bit of what I'm gonna do with her hair. Okay, she's gonna do regular crochet braids, so y'all know how I do crochet braids anyway, but yeah, let me just make some tea. Girl loves tea, so my mug is obviously going to be nice and big. And I like my tea milky, so those of you that don't like a tea milky, well, that is you in it. And I also like to leave my tea bag in my cup, just so it can brew a bit more. What's the point of making an English cuppa, you know? Give it a taste. Oh, gorgeous. Catherine, I'm not giving you give what a taste. Come on now. This is how you know it's real, this is how you know it's real, guys. It tastes good. Maybe I should put one sweetener instead because it's a bit sweet for me, So, yeah, let's quickly down this and then, yeah, hopefully it'll be alright. It can last me a couple of hours though, it's alright. I don't really eat too much anyway. Even though sometimes, it depends, it really depends on how I feel. So, but yeah. Some Netflix. Guys, the struggle trying to find something to watch. I just want to put something which is light and funny. So let's do a checklist. Cup of tea done, biscuits done, table already prepped for her, Netflix is on, cup of tea is gonna come soon again. Yeah, just when she comes, I'll prep the hair and all that, and do that on the cornrows and that, and then tutorial. I'm joking, not tutorial. I don't know, should I do a tutorial for you guys? I don't know, maybe I should. But you guys know what I do already, you know. But yeah, this is the behind the scenes of how I get ready for the hair stuff. Ooh, see. Are you sure?
Yeah, because I don't want to get one.
Okay, no problem. That's all right. You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thanks. A little bit late.
It's okay. We're going to use, yeah?
Yeah.
Tin Deep. Not bad. Nice colour. P430. That's okay. So you got 2 packets of this? Mm-hmm. And then a packet of black. And a black. No problem. So do you want me to mix it anyhow? Any way you like?
Mix it anyhow, yeah, however you see.
Okay.
Whatever looks nicest.
So colour 2. Colour 2 is not too bad, so hopefully it shouldn't be too dark.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, what I normally do when I'm cutting hair and when I'm doing the hair in half, I just get the packet, instead of opening the whole packet and getting everything out, I just get my scissors, and there's a little silver thing up here, and I cut there. I cut through the plastic. And then cut through. So there's a little cut there. And then I pull the hair out. Yeah? So everything else, the cardboard is still in here, nice and clean. You just get the hair out. Little tips and tricks out.
This Christmas period, it's like, what's going on? Like, when did it happen? It did sort of just land on us really quickly.
It did. I feel like the year's gone by so quickly. Yeah. You're just like, wait, Christmas next week.
And then end of the year.
Yeah, and it's another year. Like, I feel like I experienced January to probably May. And then the rest of the year just went...
Don't know what happened.
Yeah.
I'll give people, if I do, like, I try to resolve it, like, that day.
Yeah.
Or not drag it on.
So true. And you think, wow, this life is actually borrowed. Like, you just came into this earth just to do what you need to do, and you're leaving again. It is really
scary. I try not to think about it too much because it is quite scary. But
it is very scary, but it's the truth, isn't it? You can't run away from the truth. And I've always sometimes tried to avoid thinking about these things because it's really scary and it's sad. It's not a nice thing to talk about, you know, because you're a pretty jolly person. You're trying to think about that, but it's life, isn't it? What can you do? And it only hits you when, you know, you lose close people from your, you know, around you and whatnot. And it's just like, damn, it's for real, you know?
I think what scares me most about life is knowing that my worst day is yet to come.
Yeah. And when you come to me now, it's therapy. It's therapy. Therapy. It's true. Whenever you get to do your hair or whatever, you get some therapy moments, you know? It gets a bit deep. Gets a bit deep. The best hair for curly, as in this kind of...
Yeah, just like wavy, curly.
So,
There's so many brands out there. It's like...
I mean, ideally, usually when I'm advising people when they have this sort of crochet braids, I'd say my go-to is the deep twist sort of curl pattern, which is similar to this actually. I think they probably have deep twist in this. I think so, they do, but this one's too deep. But it's very similar. I think deep twist is slightly tighter, but yeah, this is a similar sort of thing. And in terms of brand, I normally do Cherish, but I found that sometimes Cherish is a bit too slick. Cherish is fine, Free Tress is fine, and this one is okay too. Out of the three, it depends now. But generally Cherish, then Free Tress is a bit in the middle, because sometimes Free Tress, when you feel it, it has too much of the whatever glue or whatever they put on it. And so when you trying to split it, it sort of gets tangled. So this one's not bad at all. So I'd say maybe Cherish, this one, and then the Free Tress. But this one is, a lot of people come with this sort of brand, so this one's okay. Definitely. So you're good.
Because there's so many brands on the
I like this curl pattern as well, because, you know.
Yeah. The only thing with this one, they don't have all the colours, because I really want to put purple in my hair, purple and black, but they don't have, this particular one anyway, they don't have purple. Just Cherish, you know.
Cherish. I think they do. They do have some bright colours. There's a brand called Urban. They have bright colours. They've got bright colours. The curl pattern will be a bit different, but obviously you really see it in the pack, it's quite similar anyway. I've forgotten the names, but they have some brighter colours now. Yeah, where I go to normally buy hair, I've seen some bright colours for crochet braids, but it depends. The purple, some purples are a bit like normal, the PU sort of purple, like a nice purple. And then some of the purples are like luminous, like neon-y, so a bit...
It's a bit trash, but... I like the really dark.
Yeah.
So with braids or with twists, do you think it's better to just like actually braid it rather than crochet it in? I know you can do both, but...
As in what, to braid your hair rather than crochet your hair, or...
Yeah. Does it?
Obviously, when you crochet your hair, it's much quicker.
Yeah.
It depends now on what kind of crochet, how you're going to crochet your hair. Because now that the trend now is to have like your perimeter like individually crocheted in. So you're sort of like double braiding your hair. So you're braiding your hair like single plaits and then crocheting through your single plait onto and then weaving it through the crochet. So it's sort of like, it's like, it creates a more natural look, but I still feel you're adding tension to the head because you're still adding hair to the individual. The only thing is, obviously, when you're plaiting your hair individually with normal braids, you're just adding the hair from the root.
Yeah.
Even though this one you're adding the hair from the root, but it's just like, because it has an anchor, a stronger anchor, but it's up to you really. But I feel like if you're going to do crochet braids, I think I personally would cornrow my hair and do the crochet braids rather than doing the individuals, because I feel like you're adding attention to all those individual parts of your head. And plus a lot of times when you're doing crochet braids, the plait or the braid is really thick and sometimes it's heavy, so there's no point.
That's the thing, I don't like that. That's the problem that I was finding. Like, I find the actual kind of twist that I like would be too thick. Yeah. I don't like thick.
It's too thick, yeah.
Thick. Obviously, you can't unravel it, because then if you unravel it, then it like ruins.
It ruins how it is, yeah. So it's a bit of a depends. Yeah. If you're gonna keep it for long, then it's like you need to make sure you're actually looking after that the front bit of your hair that you've actually individually crocheted in.
Yeah.
But if you do it with normal cornrows, then I think it's okay, but then you just have to like judge the amount you put on your head.
Yeah, because it's quite easy to sort of run with it.
Yeah, and just be filling all the gaps in and stuff. Yeah.
I do like braids, but I think, one of the main reasons I stopped doing it is because it does sort of pull on your hair.
But it's nice, do you know what? It is nice, I'm not going to lie, because you have that fresh hair look with braids, and it's just like you can just part it whatever way you want to part it, you know. But I guess if you have breaks between, not back to back, obviously you have breaks between your braids, and make sure in between your braids, when you comb your hair or you wear your wigs, whatever, make sure it's nicely, it's moisturized, and you try to put not a lot of tension in your head.
You're making excuses for someone that just hit you right in front of me.
I think it, but they won't, like, they're not brave enough to just ask.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Here's cute. You like it?
Cute.
Yeah.
Nice one.
It's
Wait,
nice.
is it in the light? It looks a bit orange.
Yeah. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Right.
I know.
Oh god.
So we're finished with the hair, guys, and yeah, we've got like two little bundles left, but it's basically one whole pack left. You can see she's just happy. Hey, look at her. So we're gonna do like my little shaky video at the end, and then yeah, you'll see that on Insta. Okay. So guys, I finished doing my client's hair. You've seen you know, the outcome of it. So what I'm gonna do is we'll quickly do the outro, not outro, but you know, the little shake. She can just show you what it is, or maybe if she wants, she can give her opinion on how she felt, how she likes it and stuff. And yeah, so that's basically what I really do when I'm doing the client's hair, you know. Nothing much, but you know, when you guys see the tutorials and everything, you're like, oh, okay, it was good. But yeah, I usually use my, you know, my camera and that, but yeah, I'm just using my iPhone. So yeah, so I'll be doing more videos for you guys, and I hope you like it. This is the real me, guys. This is me without the eyebrows. This is me without the makeup and everything. But this is the real Michelle ComfortStyles, okay? But yeah, hope you like it. More videos coming soon, 2020. Come on.